Okay, let's start with screen layout at document level. SPRO, reference IMG. Materials management, purchasing, uh, purchasing area, purchasing group. Purchase order, tolerance limit, screen layout at document level. Okay. New entries and F. Okay. NB purchase order, double click basic data item quantity and price. Let's check what are the screens that we have. Plant item categories, short text, all are optional. Page down. Manufacturer part number, product group, service performer, overall limit. Okay, we will keep it uh, as per the standard of SAP. We will not change it. And we have most of the entries as optionals. We can put them in under display or under required entry as it requires, as the customer requires. So we'll keep it as a standard. Okay, now what is the effect of this? The effect of this is NBF, copy. I'll copy this. Document types. Over here, the document types are updated. Field selection, NBF. Okay, the type is given over here. The type can be anything from standard to customized. Okay, standard PO ZNB over here. We will see screen layout is nothing but NBF. Save. Romania group. Okay. Okay. I take this allowed item categories. Allowed item categories are under these categories. We can make a purchase order. Let's say we have third party link purchase requisition document type. Document type is NB connected to third party, and item category. We have item categories. And what are those? Again, stock transfer material group, third party. We are using third party right now. And no account assignment. Account assignment is a GL account assignment. We don't want that at purchase requisition level because account assignment is required at purchase order level, so that when GRN is done, that account is triggered. Okay. That being said, let's move forward. Okay. Next is stock transport order. It is used to transfer materials between plants, between two companies, or between two or more company codes. So stock transfer order is between company codes and it contains shipping data. What else? Checking rules, we'll discuss this. Assignment of delivery type and checking rules. And document type is assigned. Okay. Okay. Now, shipping data. What is shipping data? What is shipping data? It is like customer name for receiving plant and sales org data. Okay. So how do we do that? We do that. Define setup transport order, define shipping data for plants. Okay. Ours is R38 Romania group. Customer number plant. Okay. Now, this can be receiving company code or receiving plant. We can have multiple plants for our company. Since we have not defined that, we will just keep it as it is. Okay, sales organization. Sales organization for intercompany billing. Now, this sales organization is, let's suppose this is R39. This is our customer because stock is being transferred from R38 to R39. Sales organization, which is attached to R39, will be mentioned here. The distribution channel, the division for intercompany billing. Okay, this is how you configure this. So now your assignment is to make a plant which will be part of same company code R38. You will make a plant, and in that you will go in the stock transport order and make and fill up these fields with sales org, which is connected with this plant, distribution channel connected with this sales org, and division for intercompany billing with this distribution channel. That is your assignment for next class. Okay. Now, this will be used for stock transfer order. Next is checking rule. Okay. Now, checking, what is checking rule? Checking rule is nothing but checking rules. What are these? These are availability of component, can be material component or shipping component for transactions. These actually check the availability. Okay. Availability of material or shipping points or plants. And this is used in MRP, which is material requirement planning. So let's see what is checking rule. Checking rule, SD delivery making order stock. Okay, we'll make a new entry. Entry is R3 Romania group. Checking rule. Save. Enter. Define checking rule. Okay. Checking rule. Now, In this checking rule, we'll use R3 with safety stock. Now, what is safety stock? Let's see that. Indicates whether during availability check, the system adds safety stock to the available inventory in the respective plant. Safety stock is for the 11th hour supplies when the stock is not available. So there should be a safety stock. Stock in transfer. Indicates whether during availability check, system takes any stock that is being transferred into the plant with which you are working. It checks beforehand if there is some stock that is being transferred. Quality inspection check. What is this? Determines whether the system includes stock in quality inspection as part of available stock in the plant in question for the availability check. A check for quality that is being transferred with block stock. Indicated whether block stock included in availability check, whether stock that is blocked for some reason, because of quality, because of vendor selection, or because of authorization, that can be checked for availability or not. Restricted use stock determines whether restricted use batch is included in MRP in availability check. Whether restricted use can be for a sales order. Okay. Now, future supply with purchase requisitions, which shipping notifications. Future supply indicates whether during availability check, the system takes into account purchase requisitions. If there is a purchase requisition for this stock, right? If there is a purchase requisition, it will include that in stock count in availability. With shipping notifications. Okay. Without receipts in past. You can use it to exclude receipts in the past from availability check. If there is a receipt without receipts in past, no, we want a receipt so that it is documented. Okay. I hope this is clear. With sales requirement with delivery note, these are the requirements for availability check. There should be a sales requirement with delivery notes, the reservation with dependent requirements. So what we'll do, new entries, availability check. What is that? Daily requirements, individual requirements, batches, no check. Daily requirements. Checking rule R3 with safety stock and transfer, quantity, blocked, restricted, delivery note with reservations. X, all with dependent requirements. What are dependent requirements? Indicate whether the system during takes dependent requirements into accounts. It's not showing the details for this anyways. With dependent requirements without replenishment lead time. What is this? Indicates whether during the system checks replenishment lead time. What is lead time? The minimum order, minimum quantity that is left back. System checks that. Items for which delivery date falls within replenishment lead time, but for which there is no inventory, are confirmed for delivery after replenishment lead time. In case of items for the delivery date falls after the end of the system assumes that everything can be confirmed. In case of items for which delivery date falls after the end of in case of items for which delivery date falls after end of replenishment lead time. What is replenishment lead time? That there is 2 weeks of stock, last batch stock is remaining, and if there is a delivery date, automatically it will confirm everything so that your stock is replenished. In standard version, leave this field blank if you want system to check the replenishment lead time. If you want system to check replenishment, you should make sure that you have entered a value in at least one of these 3 fields in the material master purchasing view, MRP, MRP2 view. Otherwise, system confirms every requirement. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Without replenishment lead time. No, it will not confirm without replenishment lead time. Okay. Without storage location check. F1 is used to scope to set the score. It is used to switch off the check at storage location level. So at storage location, it should check. No, it should not, because storage locations can be mature and cannot be mature for some reasons. You can create a reserve for a particular storage location. However, the scope availability is set in such a way to exclude the storage location. In this case, the system carries out the check at plant level only and does not take storage location into account that is specified in the reservation. Okay, without storage location check, without subcontracting. Subcontracting is when you actually give it to a third party. Save. Save. Okay, got it? Easy?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, so what was the effect? System will perform the checking of availability, right? Now, let's go to the next step. Assign document type or delivery type. Assign delivery type. Assign delivery type. Where is it that? Assign delivery type. Assign delivery type. Assign delivery type. Procedure by plant. Okay. Now, new entries. NBF. NBF. We don't have NBF. Standard PO. CRI is checking rule R3. Shipment scheduling, route scheduling, delivery type. Delivery type. Okay. Okay. Supplying plant R38 already exists with the same key. Okay. I think we have configured this. Supplying plant R38. R38. Okay. Romania group. CRI is R3. Romania group. Save. Enter. Okay. Delivery type. What will be the delivery type? Delivery type, inbound delivery goods movement, inbound delivery, cash sales, whatever is the situation, you can do that. Returns delivery, advanced returns delivery, you can check that. Okay. Now, shipping scheduling. If you set this thing as shipping scheduling is carried out for all transactions related to stock transfer document type and the issuing plant. We don't want that to be complex. Route scheduling. If you said shipment scheduling also makes use of route schedules. What are route schedules? Route schedule is used for retail industry, the planning of weekly customer deliveries from one shipping point to a number of goods recipients and their unloading points on a route. An important feature of the route schedule is goods issue time spot. All delivery assigned to a route schedule with the same goods issue time spot leave the shipping point at the same time and use the same route. Okay, so this is for synchronizing. Okay, delivery type for company code F1. Specify which delivery type is used for intra-company stock transfer items. Internal posting logic determines how the system processes delivery. Acknowledgement delivery and returns delivery are to be processed differently. We'll keep it blank. Okay. Delivery type consignment. Requirements profile. Availability check rule. Availability check rule is 01. One-time delivery, complete delivery, delivery proposal. Complete delivery. We'll keep it empty. Save. Saved. Okay. That's how easy it was.
Okay.
Getting the logic or not?
2-3 दफा देखूंगा वीडियो या करेंगे तो समझ आ जाएगा इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, default document type for stock transport orders. New entries, document category is F. Request for quotation purchase order F. Supplying plant R38. Okay. Standard PO. One step means when the supplying plant issues, the receiving plant also posts the good receiving. Okay, let's take another plant here. $19.93. Under delivery tolerance. Okay, yes, we can tolerate under delivery. Save. Enter. Okay. Now. Storage locations and contracts and scheduling. Contract scheduling. Define number ranges. Intervals. Okay, we have intervals here. Good. Define document screen layout, release procedure for contracts. Yes, we can make release procedure for contracts as well. Scheduling agreement, define number ranges, release procedure, scheduling agreement. You can also make for that. But let's go to the next one, which is price determination. Okay. Now, what happens is that price determination in MM. Let's say basic price 20 per unit.
Yeah.
Less discount 2. Price after discount 18. Add taxes on price after discount 4%. Price after tax 18.72. Add freight on price after discount. What is price after discount? 18. Net effective price is 19.662. Okay, so we actually create pricing procedure for this. What is the pricing procedure? What do we need in pricing procedure? Condition types. Calculation schema. Schema group for vendors. We have created vendors. Assign schema group with calculation schema. Okay. So we'll discuss this and other steps like that we missed. Assignment of purchase org. In IMG and vendor schema assignment in vendor master. We'll discuss this in the next class. Okay.